And today's severe storms cutting testimony short in the Darrell Brooks trial today. Brooks is accused of driving through the Waukesha Christmas parade last November, killing 6 people, injuring dozens more. In the morning, prosecutors called 5 witnesses. A jury heard from parents whose kids were hurt watching the parade. One father said he locked eyes with the driver and identified him in court as Darrell Brooks. Court will resume a half hour early tomorrow and possibly stay late to make up for lost time today. Joining us now to talk about what did happen before recess is attorney Julius Kim from the law group Kim and Lavoie. Let's talk about those witnesses. They seem to be on to Brooks' line of questioning where he takes one small fact and tries to discredit them on it. We talked about the one father today who said, yes, I'm absolutely certain I locked eyes with you, and gave an accurate description. Could witnesses have been prepared to know his MO?
You know, I think that the judge allowed some of the witnesses and victims in this case to watch the proceedings because they have certain rights under our Constitution now. As to whether they've been prepared specifically by the state, that I don't know. But I think that after hearing Mr. Brooks question witnesses enough, they kind of know what questions that he's going to be asking them. And I think also some of these witnesses just could be getting tired of it, quite frankly. We heard from a lot of grieving parents today, and I think that some of them just decided that they were going to take a more confrontational approach with Mr. Brooks.
Because when you are cross-examining someone who has lost a loved one, you have to do that very gingerly, and he's not.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I mean, that's where, you know, trial lawyers know that you have to be careful in how to approach certain situations. You can't question witnesses all the exact same way. Mr. Brooks only knows one way to question, and sometimes it works better than others.
And it might be affecting jurors as well. Now, for a guy who seems to be asking some good questions, he claims to not understand why he can't subpoena the state of Wisconsin, something the judge is tired of explaining to him, speaking of getting tired.
Yeah, you know, Mr. Brooks has been hanging on to this notion of being a sovereign citizen, and today he asked Judge Darrow if he could subpoena the state of Wisconsin. I think he realizes that he can't really do that. I think that's the point he's trying to make, is that the state of Wisconsin is an entity, and that entity, if he doesn't acknowledge it, can't prosecute him per se. But it's just part of the record that he's trying to make. It's just part of what he's trying to establish as being a quote-unquote sovereign citizen. But Judge Darrow was having nothing to do with that today.